Hello everyone. I've got a lot of questions about the bushing and the tap connection for the dishwasher. So I am putting a small video on the dishwasher water connection in this video, and apart from that I am going to show you how to clean the filters of the dishwasher. Here you can see I have also got a new cover for my Voltas Beko dishwasher. I'm very happy. It's like a raincoat kind of a material. It is waterproof and it fits perfectly. It has the perfect dimensions of this. If you want, I'll just put the link in the description box. I got it from Amazon and it fits well. It also helps from getting water stains or scratches or marks, and because I keep my dishwasher in the kitchen, it helps from staining, grease and the other all sorts of dust that can come. Also you can see it's near the window, so there is a lot of dust always coming in. I've closed it now for the video, but it's open most of the times and there's a lot of dust coming in. So this helps keep my dishwasher clean, and I would still say that this is one of the best buys since lockdown. I got it in October 2020, so I've been using it for around 6 months now and I'm very happy with this product. It has helped me save a lot of time and a lot of labor that I had to put in during the lockdowns for cleaning the utensils, and now I am not dependent on anybody to do my chores. So here's the product. Today I will show you how to clean the filters of Voltas Beko dishwasher. For that, first we'll just open it up. Here, this rack can be easily taken out, so I'll just remove it. Now inside, this is what we need to open. This part we need to open and clean the filters. So here, if you can see, there is an arrow on the gray plastic area. There is an arrow, and a similar arrow is here on the net, which won't be visible in the video, but if you run your fingers through, you'll know there is another arrow here. So I'll hold this and I'll move this arrow anti-clockwise like this. It's very easy, it's not stuck or anything, and I'll pull it out. Here you can see this part. This part is having all the dust, all the glug and all the slush from your vessels that it cleans every day. So this we'll have to clean with an old toothbrush. Here I have a toothbrush. I'll just gently rub it under running water so that all this gets cleaned. Here. You don't even have to put too much pressure on it. It cleans by itself even under just running water. You clean the outer area as well because there's a lot of slush over there. Run it through water, the whole thing. So try to clean as much from inside with the brush, and if your brush is not able to reach inside, make sure you don't damage those nets by putting pressure. You can also use something like this. A straw cleaner is what I try to use. You can put it easily and without too much pressure you can clean the nets over here. Then you will have to just have a running tap and it can be easily washed off. There you go, all the slush is gone. Here you can see it is nice and clean. You can actually there must be a way of taking these parts out and cleaning it, but it's easier done by the brush. And as you can see, these are plastic parts, so I don't want to break them and get in trouble. Now I'm going to show you how to put it back into the dishwasher. This protruded part, make sure it is always on the right side. Easily put it inside, fit it properly, place it well, and then bring this arrow back to its original position of this arrow on the net by moving it clockwise. Here, they're all aligned and it is fixed. See, it won't move. Now there's another pro tip that I would like to give. You can also clean these blades with the brush. This is where the water comes out from, so you don't want to have them clogged. This is where the water is coming out from, so you don't want them all clogged. So you can lightly clean this, all these, and there are two blades, so there's one above as well. You can clean that blade as well in the similar manner, like this. Yeah. There you go. So easy. Now I'm putting the trolley back here and we are done. It's nice and clean.
So we got a lot of questions around the size of the connector. This one, like what should be the size. So we thought of making a small video on what is the size that we need. So let me show you what is the diameter of the dishwasher's connector. So this is around 1 inch, approximately 1 inch. So this is a female connector. We need a male connector. So the male connector will be, the diameter will be around 1 inch. From end to end. So this will fit here like this. One inch, the outer diameter. Now this female part, this will connect to the tap's end. This is around 3/4 inch or around 12 parts of inch. So ask for a 3/4 inch female connector, and the male part diameter end to end should be around 1 inch approximately. This is 1 inch from end to end. I'm not talking about the inner diameter, I'm talking about outer diameter of the male part, because we are going to connect it with the dishwasher's female connector, which is having an inner diameter, talking about inner diameter here, of around 1 inch. Hope it's clear. So this will go here and this will go, the female part will go here.